Whoa, you are back. Welcome. So in this video we will be talking about things that you should do and you need to do to your computer or laptop, and these tricks aren't like that. These are very new. There are many YouTubers that have made the video on these topics, so there is nothing new in this video, I would say. But there are a lot of people who don't watch those videos or who haven't watched their videos, so it's just a reminder for those who have watched and a new video for those who haven't watched. So let's get started with the video. Number one that you should do is create a system restore point. Now let me tell you a backstory or just a recently happened incident with me. So I needed to have a dual boot on my PC, Windows 7 and Windows 8.1. So I flashed the USB drive, but I accidentally flashed the USB drive with GPT partition type, while my SSD or hard disk, you can say, had MBR partition type. And when I booted my laptop with the pen drive, it did not install the Windows 8.1. Why? Because the partition style did not match. So I cancelled the setup and restarted my laptop, but due to some technical difficulties it did not start. Then I started the Windows startup repair and it suggested me to roll back to a restore point that was created earlier in the system. So sometimes system itself create the system restore point, but in many times you have to create by yourself. So if you want to create a restore point for your computer, go to control panel, go to system and follow the steps shown in the video, and you are set. You are done with your restore point. And it is really important for your computer. Let's say an application is installed which is lagging your computer, or suddenly your computer is lagging, or virus has been installed in your computer. So it becomes important to roll back to that system restore point or that restore point when you have some difficulties or software difficulties in your computer or laptop. So it is must to create a system restore point. Next step is to add an SSD to your computer or laptop. Now this step doesn't apply to many people because a lot of people have their laptop and computers equipped with SSD, but there are still people like me who use computers and laptops like 10 years ago and 15 years ago. Okay, 15 years would be very much, but 10 years ago or 9 years ago, and back then there were no SSDs, only hard disks. And recently, around an year ago, I equipped my laptop with an SSD. So when you install an SSD in your laptop or computer, you will see a massive jump in the booting time, in application loading time, and all in all you will feel that your computer is more faster than in hard disk. Let's say in hard disk the boot up time is around 30 or 50 seconds. When you install your Windows in SSD, the boot up time will be around 5 to 10 seconds or hardly 15 second maximum. That is a big jump in the starting process. So it is always recommended that you should install an SSD in your old laptop or computer. It is always advisable. Now you can install only Windows on your computer or laptop, and for that you can use a 120 or 240 GB SSD, which is not very costly, just 2.5 thousand rupees. That's it, not very costly, but the amount of time it saves is worth the money. So definitely install an SSD if you don't have any SSD in your laptop or computer. So next thing that you should do is install same type of RAM in your both slots. Nowadays every computer or every laptop comes with dual channel memory. That means you can add up to 2 RAMs in 2 slots. Obviously there are only 2 slots, so you can add up to 2 RAMs in the system. So if I say only laptop, that means that it is also applied to computer also. So let's say your laptop supports up to 32 GB memory, 3200 MHz DDR4 type. So instead of adding a 32 GB single stick in your laptop, instead add two 16 GB sticks with same rank and same frequency. It will boost your computer performance by a lot, especially in the games. You can see more FPS in the games when you install 2 RAM of same capacity, same frequency and same rank. You will see a lot of FPS boost in your games, or on your day-to-day performance also, or any performance related task you will see a bump in your performance. So definitely install 2 RAMs of same capacity, same frequency and same rank in your laptop or computer. Next thing that you should do is that clean your laptop and change the thermal paste of the laptop every 6 months or at least in an year, because it helps to keep the temperatures down, and it also helps to keep the components from being damaged, and it also helps to boost your computer performance or laptop performance. So definitely, if you want your system healthy for a long period of time and want to have a consistent performance of your system and don't want to get your parts damaged after some time, then you must clean your laptop and change the thermal paste every 6 months or year. Next thing that you should do is to always keep your Windows System Defender and antivirus updated all the time, because you know that the phishing attacks and other viruses and malwares are increasing day by day, and every day, every time new malware or virus is being made. So always keep your system protected by updating to the latest Windows Defender software or update and antivirus software, especially if you are using any pirated software, which I believe you should not, but not everyone can afford the price of these high paid softwares. So always keep your system protected with an antivirus and external proper and reputed antivirus other than Windows Defender. So always keep your system updated, always keep your Windows Defender and antivirus software updated. That's it. Okay, here comes the bonus point. And yes, the last point is also of updating your system. Always keep your drivers updated for the best possible performance and for the best optimization of your laptop or computer. And how would you do it? Download the IOB driver booster for free from their official website. Although they have only trial version for free, but you can also purchase their software, but I won't recommend it. You can at least see all the drivers which are outdated, and you can either manually update or update from that software also. So if you want to download, the link is in the description box below. So that was it. That was a quick short video about how to keep your system protected, or how to keep your system optimized, or how to keep the performance of your laptop, anything you want to say. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Catch you guys in the next video. Till then, this is Karan Ghadi signing off.